A delegation of the All JAINTIA Midday Meal Workers Union had met with Governor Satya Mallick at the BHAVAN on the 1st of April 2022 to submit a memorandum through him to the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. It may be reminded that the union has demanded for enhancement of monthly salary from Rs 1,000 to 5,000 per month, for provision of LPG cylinders and water, for benefits towards welfare of all workers, and an extension of working months from 10 months to 12 in a year. Speaking to reporters, the president of the All Jaintia Hills Midday Meal Workers Union, Laskein CNRD Block Unit, Puris Sinkon, expressed her gratitude at the governor's readiness to lend an ear to their problems and for accepting the memorandum of demands that he would be submitting to Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the union's behalf. Sinkon, however, expressed dissatisfaction at the non-payment of another month's salary out of the total 5 months. She therefore urged upon the Governor and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to look into the matter so as to enable the workers to avail of their rights.
Governor jangi ba kumjo lam nanti jang isa tengila pa hadok kanega jaka bat kumjoro governor lopdiang yake yaka memorandum jangi bat lopdiang ro yaki jing terwa jangi ba lokularo yangi ba on elek sitom banikran how chief minister bat kumjo on penpo yang memorandum jangi cha prime minister tengah kermen da kejing keren da kejing rap jong governor ngin yo ya ka ai ka bangi kwa bat kumjuro ngisngau khya bang singau kwen hado kata baulak diang ya kejing kerpat jong kum kemet demel wakar temta kasngi ngidap da kejing singau dio ba hak to kopar bang house nam arajar arwai kila pensa ya ka hanariam jongi hado san benai hendreng ngidap da kejing singau se ba kejing singau dio baki khlam pelait ya barok san benai kipalai tangsau benai dan kata kadau ngikir paru yaki babalai ngila kerpat yakila naslam bat kipor bangila dap kerpat ba ka kapisa jongi kadai bon poi ha ka permanent account handrai mentaro kadang wan lengba ka cash ta ngidap da kejeng se bat kejeng snau dio kwa sirkai bakim mle ya ka ai ka bangi pan ba ya ka ai ka bangi kerpat yaki tekerman ro mata kasngi lengba jong governor ngin yo ya kejeng kerman bat ngin yo ro ya ka ek ba kwa kumba ulah kular hangi